Hey everyone, myself Irshad, and today, as you know, it's World Environment Day, and so wish you all a happy World Environment Day. So on this day, basically not just on this day, but throughout this lockdown period, I've been working on my little garden here, and I've been planting different plants and trees and also vegetables. So during the lockdown period, when we were supposed to be in our houses, not going outside, not going to places where we usually used to go, to the restaurants, cafes, bars, and travel to different places. And during this time, I've been as in previous videos, I told you that I've been doing a lot of productive stuff, and one of them is gardening. And so especially on this day, on this occasion, I thought, why not make a video on it and show you and motivate you guys. And so I've got this Bacardi black bottle. It's empty, it's just water inside, and I've got money plant. So I'm gonna plant this money plant into this bottle, and to cut this, I've got this cutter and this one. So to cut this, I'll be using this. So to remove this one from here, I needed this cutter and this one to rip it off. And now I'll be removing this with the help of this screwdriver. Oh, it's done now, it's removed. And now I'll clean this bottle, remove these labels and all, and then it took me about 15 minutes to clean this bottle, to take the label off. And I would suggest, if you're planning to use these bottles or glass bottles, so just to keep this bottle inside water, be it a bucket or a tub, anything, just submerge it into the water, and that will help you to peel off, get rid of those labels easily. And finally, it's done. So here it is. Boom! Another plant added to my garden. And most importantly, I've been using waste bottles for gardening and planting different plants. So this video is to motivate you all, so that let's not waste plastic bottles and throw them away, but cut them in different styles, use them to plant different flowers, garden plants and all. So utilizing things, recycling them, reusing them. Yeah. So once again, wish you all a very happy World Environment Day, and celebrating it not just today but throughout the year. Whenever you get time, clean your environment, plant trees that would help benefit you a lot and your environment as well. And just plant flowers, cactus, garden vegetables. And yeah, so this video is to motivate you all guys to do something productive, utilizing your time and cultivating your talent. And yeah, so last but not the least, like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, do comment and tell me your reviews, and you can suggest me different opinions, give me some ideas. I'm not used to this stuff. It's just that during the lockdown period, I've started this new hobby, but you can suggest me different options and techniques to work on it, and I hope I'll improve in coming days. So yeah, stay home, stay safe, maintain your hygiene, और अब हम मिलेंगे दूसरे वीडियो में कुछ नए टॉपिक्स के साथ, और I hope interesting ही होगा, and दूसरे प्लेस मिलेंगे. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a wonderful life, see ya.